Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install TightVNC Server so that you can use it to remote into the ASTER workplaces. In my previous video, I showed you how to configure the TightVNC Server and ASTER so that you can remote into the workplaces, but I did not include the step for installing the TightVNC. So I'm including it in this video. Download the TightVNC from their website. I downloaded it earlier and it's in my desktop. Double click it, click next, agree to the license agreement, then click next, choose typical and uncheck register TightVNC server as system service. This is crucial. If you leave it checked, then when you try to remote into the workplaces, then it will not remote the individual workplace, it will always remote the first workplace. So you have to uncheck this. After unchecking, click next and install. Install will take few seconds. Once done, click finish. Now TightVNC server will be available from start menu and click on run TightVNC server and it will start. And in my previous videos I had required VNC authentication unchecked, but if you want password to be required in order to remote into the workplaces, then check this and set a password which is dependent on each workplace and it's not system wide, so you have to set password for each workplace from the TightVNC server configuration, otherwise it will not set the password that you set on the main workplace. You have to do it for each and every workplaces. But if you do not want users to enter password, or if you do not want users to be asked to enter password, then just uncheck the required VNC authentication and click OK. You have to do this on each of the workplaces once. And if you are creating virtual workplaces, then log into the user account of the virtual workplaces on the main workplace and uncheck the required VNC authentication for TightVNC for each user that you have. Here in my computer, I have ASTER with 9 virtual workplaces here, and each of them are using their own user account. So if I configure TightVNC for each of them, then I have to log into each of the user account by signing out and logging into each of them, and then uncheck the required VNC authentication once. Then afterwards you'll be able to connect to them without entering the password. And for the steps on how to connect to the workplaces, refer to my other video. Link will be in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notified about new videos that I release. Have a good day.